Section 494 of IPC and cases related to it. Now the 494 is about the Hindu Marriage Act HMA 1955, laid down monogamy as a rule for both male and woman Hindus. It stated bigamy as a punishable offence under Section 494 of the IPC, Indian Penal Code 1860. Means first you have to write the meaning of 494, what is the 494 section of IPC, and the cases related to the bigamous marriages are Bhau Rao versus State of Maharashtra, Priya Bala versus Suresh Chandra, Yamuna Bai versus Anand Rao, Sarla Mugdal versus Union of India. We have discussed all these cases in detail in our previous videos. Then the stressed syllable from the strangulation is strang, from gratitude it is gra, from unemployment it is ploy. Now write a short note on Kali River case. Kali River case is also known as UP Pollution Board versus Modi Distillery case. Modi Distillery was discharging highly noxious and polluted trade influents into River Kali without the consent of Water Pollution Control Board. The board drew attention to the defects of the industry, then industry fulfilled the bare minimum and continued to pollute Kali. When the Pollution Board filed a case against Modi Distillery in the Supreme Court, that time Modi Distillery filed a case in that they are having filed a case in the High Court that they are having NOC, no objection certificate, but actually they were not having any NOC. It was seen that they were not having any treatment plant and throwing all harmful material, waste material in the water of Kali deliberately. So Supreme Court ordered that Modi Distillery should follow the guidelines before doing or letting such harmful material into the river. Judgment declared in the case Poonam Verma versus Ashwin Patil and others. This case is another landmark case in medical profession. It is concerning to the rights of doctors practicing homeopathy, Ayurvedic and Unani system of medicine to practice allopathy were discussed and determined. The court held that the medical professional must have an enroll number qualification under the Act of any state medical register compulsory. The judgment declared in this case the law under which a person was regarded as a medical practitioner required him to practice in that particular branch of medicine only. Explain the effect of Bhopal gas disaster. The Bhopal mass disaster is also known as Bhopal gas disaster, is also known as Bhoposhima. On the night of 2nd and 3rd December 1984, a highly toxic gas methyl isocyanate MIC leaked from the chemical plant of Union Carbide India Limited. MCQ is also asked on this case that which gas was leaked. It is the MIC, methyl isocyanate. So the effect was of the Bhopal gas disaster was this resulted in serious injuries and loss of human life as well as mass destruction of many components of environment of the city of Bhopal. It resulted in loss of flora and fauna. Over 500,000 people were exposed to the MIC, methyl isocyanate. The official immediate death toll was 2,259. So this was the effect of the Bhopal mass disaster.